We both get there our own way. Thistle and an apple tree. How different two souls can be.
Really.
But we both
So here I'm getting all my creamer
from the same sorrow. If we both know we'll be together tomorrow, I can be like a tree in the wind. Same old roots, but I can bend, turning to understand and sway together. Now it's almost like a dance, the rendering of stubbornness, and it just cuts us deeper through the longer I'm away from you. Yeah, we fight good, we make love better if we both know we'll be together. I can be like the tree in the wind. Same old roots, but I can bend, learning to understand and sway together. Nothing worth having comes easy, baby. Nothing worth having comes easy, baby.
Hey you guys, happy Wednesday. It's 9/3 of 20 and I'm out here. I'm not done journaling. I just did about half of it. And the question today is like perfect for like my journey, I feel like. It says list the greatest compliments and encouragements you've ever been given. Sorry guys, it is windy out, so I might take this in the house. But say like my greatest compliment right now in life and encouragement is my journey for weight loss. Honestly, you guys, like, I just feel so on top of the world today. I weighed in and I'm back down, but I'm not going to do an updated weight loss, an updated weight loss, for like one more week. I'm going to give myself one more week to kind of get my body where I want it to be and see if I can hit those goals. So, yeah, I would have to say, you know, like, my greatest compliment right now is when somebody says, like, Brittney, you literally are an inspiration to me. You are the reason why I joined Weight Watchers, or you're the reason why I'm losing weight. Like, those compliments to me mean the absolute world. And they're not even compliments. They're like people literally telling me, like, you know, like, it just, I don't know. I'm gonna finish writing my entry and then maybe I'll have a better explanation of it. But I also wanted to jump on here and talk about counting coffee. I feel like last night we went to the grocery store and there was like no creamers, you guys. Like, I couldn't find any sugar-free creamer and I love my creamer. Like, I'm obsessed with it, but I haven't been counting my coffee because it's usually like 1 or 2 points. But today, you guys saw, I have Starbucks creamer now, so it is 2 points for 1 tablespoon because the sugar content is 6 grams for, you know, like 1 little tablespoon, so it's kind of high. And deep down, you guys, I did put a little bit more creamer in it without showing you because I totally forgot, but I did put a little bit more, like maybe 1 more tablespoon, and I'm not going to count it because my mental health is more important than a coffee. So basically what I'm trying to say is I'm not going to be counting my coffee anymore from now on. I still will be like, you know, I'm trying to make this a lifestyle. So for me, coffee is an everyday thing. So it is my lifestyle. I want to make it a lifestyle and I don't want to make it a diet. Even though I am on a diet, I am trying to lose weight. I don't want to make it feel like one. So when I wake up in the morning, the first thing I do is I don't want to grab my phone and track my coffee. It's just the last thing I want to do. I want to enjoy my coffee without thinking about it. Team No Count Coffee. If you are somebody though who just started Weight Watchers, I would highly recommend tracking. But for me, I've been on Weight Watchers for like a 1.5 years now. And so for me, counting my coffee, and I've been having so many leftover points every night because I just have like no appetite lately. And that's obviously not a good, yeah, I've been having a lot of leftover points, but you guys gotta realize my stomach's finally like settling down from all of my binge eating that I was doing previously. Oh, someone wants to visit. We have a visitor. What are you doing? Is it done? He's singing. I love him, you guys. He's literally, he just locked me out. Thumbs up, you little shit. What I was saying was, Team No Count Cafe, I feel like even if you do sugar-free stuff, you guys, like I would have done sugar-free, literally, but I've been wanting to try that Starbucks one again. I did try it one time at my friend's and I fell in love with it, of course. You love your mommy? Oh, what's this? This is a french fry. Are you confused or what are you doing? Go get your stick. Go get a stick. What I'm trying to say is that if you don't count your coffee, you will be okay. Little things in life, you guys, don't stress the little things. You guys mean so much to me, and I just want to let you know, like, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. You mean so much to me. I love you guys. I love all of you, and yeah, I'm gonna just keep about my day, and I'm gonna tell you one thing though. I've been on solid track for 3 days, like solid. Like I haven't, actually probably longer than that, like a whole week pretty much. And if you can't tell, I'm just like radiating happiness. Like I just feel so good, and I feel like life's finally getting good again, and all of my hard things I was trying to overcome, I feel like are finally like, I can breathe again. Like I feel like a weight was lifted off my chest. Going through it right now, please just know that it will be better. I've had days where all I do is lay in bed and cry, or I've had days where all I do is eat. So it can be hard sometimes, you guys. This is a journey. This isn't a race. So please remember that. Like, don't give up on yourself. Let's see you at lunch.
Okay, you guys, Jason made me a plate. So here I have some sugar-free ketchup and mustard for 0. And then I have a corn dog, which this is the corn dogs we picked up. I didn't scan them or anything in the store, but they are 7 points, which honestly, I get 38 in a day, you guys. So for me, it's not bad. But if you're somebody who doesn't get that many points, you only get like 23 or 28, you know, I would highly recommend the Trader Joe's turkey dogs, or just go to your local store and like scan your corn dogs and just kind of like see what are the lowest ones. These are the fries. These fries are bomb. Did you throw away the pack? These fries are literally bomb. I can't even express to you how good they are. So I have 3 ounces for 3 points. This is what they are. They're the Idaho brand. Oh, grown in Idaho. Love these. I highly, highly recommend those. Okay.
I came out there and told you ding fries are done.
Oh, I didn't even hear you.
Well, I had the whole phone thing.
So here, I'm going to try it.
Ding fries are done.
That breading is really good. I recommend these. Hey you guys, sorry, Jason is vacuuming actually in the background, but I quickly wanted to hop on. I just threw carrot, celery, and onion in a pan. This stuff was already pre-chopped from the grocery store. But I'm going to be making, God, that's loud. I'm going to be making Big Mac in a bowl. I'll show you guys how I make my sauce, and how I make the hamburger. There, he's done. How I make the sauce and the hamburger, and then we'll go from there. All right, you guys, per usual, I'm making a mess everywhere, but I cooked the carrots a little, and the celery and the whatever, the onions, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of dill weed. You don't have to do this if you don't like pickles or, you know, whatever, but I feel like it would just give it a really good flavor, but be careful because it can be very powerful.
About giving your heart away is hoping love will never die. But life unfolds in the strangest ways, and sometimes you just can't keep love alive. But I've tried, and I've tried. my mind since you left me. Things have been so heavy. I just cry, 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 cry. If you want to take the best of me, I won't stop you if you try. Why not take the rest of me? 'Cause all that's left are just these crying eyes. And I've tried, and I've tried, but I just can't drink you up.
Alright, you guys, there it is. Looks so good. So the sauce, I was saying that there was 6 servings, but I think there might be more. So because of the lemon juice and stuff, so I might put 1 more tablespoon and just kind of go from there. But I'm gonna throw up on the screen how many points this is, because I'm not gonna calculate it because I want to eat it warm. Hi guys, it is 1 o'clock in the morning. It is a Thursday night. Just took a bath, relaxed, sat on my phone for a little bit, and I'm hungry again. So like literally my stomach hurts hungry. So I'm going to have half of a cup of my pasta because it's only 4 points for 1 serving. So I'm going to have half of a cup, which is a serving. I did have half a cup with dinner. I just didn't show it. I forgot. I think I didn't show it. But yeah, I'm just putting this half scoop in here and then moving it. So every time I want a little, I can have it. But it actually is like a decent amount. So it's really, really good. I highly recommend. I think next time I make it, I'm going to try to find like a really low point Italian dressing, or like maybe try to make it more like way lower in points. Again, this is the sauce I used. That's the Italian. It's really good. I'm gonna drink some more water, eat my pasta salad because of Jordan Shrinks. Literally love her. And just hang out. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. You mean so much to me. Thank you for being here. And I hope that this what I eat in a day / kind of day in the life, day in the life sparked a little inspiration for you. I hope that it helps you in any sort of way. And yeah, comment below if you're gonna try any of these. Anyways, you guys, if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps and supports my channel, which means the absolute world to me. And I will see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, because I'd love to have you stick around. And again, I love you so much and thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.